TikTok for mobetimi de mo questions aba no ane say obomodi a na wafo eye ahoma no wa request a de wo bise bia no mebomodi a na mama lawyer eyi wano na onso sebio asem hia da wakoma so no lawyer hwe na waboa enti TikTok for momfa mo questions and brand tentem YouTube for so me pini normal no ye normal mo so betimi the afre comment section also or question bia no abobodi anafa also question ebra and enti nya ka ne saa no em se nche lawyer ye be hun nanim e wo ye TikTok ho na ya mana kwa aba Rastuke wasi bichiamo michie obia ebusuafo Rastuke dia odi aba no ye wo eye maga enso ha sei ye wo ye nuanom eye your boy ewa DJ set Yakubu ha sei Susan wa ha Regina ewa ha ana Regina ewa ha sei Holdbrook edujem fi so ha Nash ewa ha ebusua bomodiana tell a friend to tell a friend na ye nkomo no ayedi no entumi emomodia enu achiri emfama lawyer na apom te sen
Oh, body ede achayen and day apomu de anka na miado adaroma ya so ya ba besi a yede program ebreya etiefo ne ahwefo ide asedam kotonia yede bema otwedi ampon nyame ana onso o side ho ese
lawyer nyame adome hu yo na agya wan me nuanom Ghana fo ya wo mo fie on beso ba krome eno ane se omusebusa me na mo bom ho modene mo ye adwuma ye so pese e bantisi na bi mu so afolo eye website na de tu dwa no a o mo so se o mo follow den ti besi bia no mbebo ya mane apart from that there busuafo nyina so ho ye wa
yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. That means Tembia, yeah, sorry about platform, so yeah, but yeah, we no. At least yeah, who say improvement be them. Yeah, who say yeah, you no to an more. And why Tina, yeah, sorry about Tembia no. Yeah, the information, and I say yeah, church no about your team for any actual for or any of your platform. Mr. Monshare na a program na ye ba be no because information be brave or I was say ye de etuja because send America no UK mra no a certain be especially immigration base no immigration area and I say immigration law area ye baby sɛ nnɛ aban ne kɔda na ɔfeel sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ ɔsesa mmara no a ɔtumi sesa ebi wɔ hɔ a wɔde ne pɛ ebi wɔ hɔ a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔde fa parliament nti that tells you sɛ aban no wɔ power in terms of immigration law no nti na nnɛ wote a yɛsisei yeah I hope sɛ na wokuada no mede to dwa about saa asylum seekers hotel
yes
asɛm no yes. And now we judgment about from the Court of Appeal. And also no about Betuja. Na definitely in American. Bibi aba ye de Betuja. Na Mr. Amos say questions bi na ye kasa na fo say who pese ubisa question na mpa what type of and I say what my Dr. Ray na hu na ye hu ekwan a ye betumi answer because I think say ye interacting na nyina share ideas na deba na lawyer de to hɔ a ɛyɛ better yo ɛna case na America no Court of Appeal ama judgment na wohwɛ mu a deɛ teɛ ne sɛ asylum seekers a yɛde ɔmo kɔgu hotels no ɛwɔ Epping deɛ na meka ho asɛm hotel no de the Bell Hotel na nkyɛn biara na Epping District Council ɛde kɔɔ high court sɛ hotel no baabi a ɔmo ɛregye asylum seekers no ɔmo hu sɛ ɛnyɛ mmara kwan so according to ɔmo planning permit no to on that note no ɔmo de kɔdan court ne sɛ ɔmfa injunction ɛnto so So court ne the injunction to, so which is the High Court. The Home Office, adeɛ a the High Court no court na ayɛ, anaasɛ Epic Council, District Council ayɛ no, ɔmo ngye piniɛ sɛ ɔde nti na ɔmo de injunction akɔtoɔ sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a Home Office ntumi mfa asylum seekers nkɔ hɔ bio. Na wohwɛ ma nnɛ judgment na ɛbaeɛ no, judges no, Lord Judge Bean make on behalf of the 3 panel of judges no, omo leader no, make decision say Home Office asɛm a ɔmo de aba no, Home Office edi bem. The entire year say Home Office edi bem ne say Home Office say ɔmo ntimi ɛmfa bibini bɛka ne tabo injunction ɛnto ɔmo adeɛ a ɔmo yɛ no, because ɛyɛ entia imra under the human rights. Mr. Moyenye careful because on a judge, picky free, was it under human right, UK aban ewo enhye anase eye UK aban responsibility say o hosti anase or accommodate asylum seekers. Into on that note, say UK aban edi omakogu Bell Hotel now in the course of processing my application Court of Appeal say ne kwan so no. Now omo kofa the history of Bell Hotel application omo make call Epping District Council. Omo say omo apply for permit somewhere beginning of this year council amfi wo omo you district Epping District Council amfi wo omo and omo call back to Home Office say you feel say I was say you apply to council near catch omo say you beji asylum seekers ho na so ma amfi omo dia and Home Office say mo amfi mu a mon koso nye mo adwuma the who council no waive right because I was saying ka ma omo mu aye wa ma omo mu aye
oyiwa
nti wohwɛ ma Court of Appeal yi saa nsɛm wei nyinaa ato hɔ no mo ɛkyerɛ sɛ deɛ ɔmo yɛ no Home Office yɛ no yɛ ne kwan so ha no nti judges ne kaa sɛ ɔmo council no ntumi stɔpe ɔmo sɛ ɔmo ntumi mfa asylum seekers nkogu hɔ na nye biara no yɛfrɛ bibi substantive case ɛɛba so somewhere middle of September. Nti for now no interim injunction de ato hɔ no ɔmo abɔ ato agu till say September no beduru no middle of September no ɔmo de case ni bɛhyehyɛ so no ama case no ɔmo abua no ɔmo stand nie.
Hey.
I know.
Sɛ na ma de Wednesday na wo ne yɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ a wo kyerɛkyerɛ mu.
Yeah.
Ɛna abɛtɔ wo sɛ yɛ abɛpɛɛpɛ yi.
Papa.
Hey, lawyer. Oya prophet ka ho ana.
There be. Additional na any the wonim and answer what them run to ho a they are eba no. Inti say onya obi oyɛ human rights lawyer. There many workers is here in saa na obeka. Achiro.
Okay.
Obeka achiro say the council ne yɛ no ma anya ade. Because bear in mind, council mu nyina mo yɛ British for.
Yeah.
And at the same time, mo na mo say mo practice human rights. Nti ade nti na aban ne practicing the human rights no mo si there be. Saa na ade na akɔ.
Na just say enam human rights so nti no mo ebo modern a council su case no.
Yes.
Wow.
Because council they say, yeah, demonstration say, baby, I'm with the asylum for go no, eben ye mpene. Then a court of appeal say, anya bia, ye nyina ye British for. the uncertain team say yɛgye ahɔhoɔ in terms of human right. Nti adɛn nti na yɛde bi aba mo hɔ no mo deɛ mo sɛ mo mpene.
Wow. Lawyer, womeso kakra na mema eye yetiefo ne ahwefo nyina akwa aba. Na menka wo se eye FB Solicitors ene ene wo twetwe nkomo. Lawyer Francis na wo tineni. Abusua wo TikTok na wo question bi a bomodian na request na me accept you na busa wo question. Eye munti ene ye wa ha sei. Questions no mo man flow senior lawyer betimi eyi ano de amamo. Titiri yenuanom a munyanya ɛyɛ British citizenship no ɛho ehia papa na wo a wo question bi an mesrɛ wa ɛntwɛn ma yɛbɛpɔn no na afei na wo ba bɛ request YouTube nso ɛno ane sɛ what type o question no na mama lawyer eyi wa no kama ɛde ama ɛwɔ ahase ora Isaac yɛmo akwa baba ɛyɛ yɛdwumadie so legal digest me ne ɛyɛ lawyer Francis na wa
Yo, many out.
Yeah, Tiwo. Yeah, you okay.
Also,
But yeah, you so now come to say.
I'm for buy. I'm buying for no. As a motor, I buy now. We are buying for buy. A Labour Party. And now, also, Eddie Omonsi say, I be book him. Now, Nancy, Omo can be say, all apply now. Person about we here. You have to get a degree. Answer. I just say unya degree certificate. Answer na what me aba hono. Na me busa say sisi ano eyesa na etia na say bia there has been some changes. Say sa na etia me pese me hu. Say yes, sa na etia. Now the second question then say assuming say ebia me hono mo na me maame ana say bia me wife ana bia me pese obi mra mesra me. Na nipa no oni degree certificate ya. Does it mean say nipa no won't me ma ho MMS ra me ma nenye yi ana?
Joe. Lawyer, you know Isaac Ibusa about English language test. FSCC epeso oba ha ese o na no na wo chirichirim ese utimi enya eye English language na equivalent to degree and wo busa ho asem afenso obusa say so to nsa afro obi say nipa ko na mbesha say ne ma me say ne dua say na danfo bi a ese sa nkrata no chinchina atwan ese onye bia na na so onye bia ekwan ben so oni bia ekwan ben so ana obetumi afa obetumi di aboa.
Yo, Isaac Midasi, share your first question, Isaac, and she say, oh, mode by yeah, a talk aquamo, which was 22nd of July 2025, a comma skilled worker route for Isaac, but
oh, what happened?
Yo, sa English language. Sa English language now will come was now. A skilled worker route no, and on this sign she say any buy. And visitors visa, and immigration rule. Oh yeah, ma wo ye. A skilled worker route for now. Or more na, or more air switching, or more on person or move them.
Okay.
Because almost or more share or more level of English now.
And in that case, you know, some fan say, lawyer and patrol, some fan say, be a me baby still hono say. I say, me yere ebe come home hono more. I say, me yere no, unya degree certificate na because obviously no ba hono ma ba me so no so be ye adwuma. Onti me ka say, oba be still sa ade a onya adwuma. Enti eno no, e ma ono nso ekoba say so no so nya degree certificate ni bia na.
Yo, Isaac, mami sumi musa. Oh, visa na ye den under the skilled worker na say under British ni ana obi a was
Me patron under skilled worker.
Yo, under the skilled worker no. Say who had da a different. So fe na wo yire ba be ka wo ho a. I was say what year English language be level 6 which is equivalent to a degree level.
Okay.
Yo, and our second question is saying.
And also say if you person invite to be and also no English language, you know, any pakrono equivalent to degree level and
Yo, second question no, who say who invite you be? And I say who invite you be never fall under the standard visitors visa. And the standard visitors visa no, who here English requirement be a woman.
lawyer no so invite ni maame nso a na no na wo ka say enye invitation kwa na yede ma awofo so mo branti no eno no minim say bia obekirechim
The other
kata
time,
ma
na ye can be a adult relative dependent. ADR. And also your application be a ube to me ayama umame anasa o grandparent or what yare be anasa obi binti na sitina mo e wo baby o free ba no enye this obeka wo hu. Omo sa no omo hia English language.
into right Isaac the lawyer person kire ne say yemfa ne say bia sisi wo akwantu mi na maame nso ko atifie ebia betumi aye ne say enam say maame ko atifie nti onye obi ma na ehwe no eno nti de hia ne say ebeje a friend ne say enkrata free
Visa.
a kire say ebia no nko na ti na ohia so oba wo nchen na oba wo nchen a obetumi anya na so bie obetumi aboa no eno nti lawyer kire say visitor visa no so no nya ho nkwa na ebetimi ahwe saa kwan we nso na apanya we nso no e wo ho a ebetimi de ani ahwe wo a obetimi de mmoa boa wo na se okofa momi aba na etimi ahwe ho nso
Mr. Senka, menya lawyer.
ene yegina so na memfa normal ne ma osisi ansa na wasi form na yakọ
Me amene na kasa one on one.
yo
And I maybe watch them mu yi.
yo tibacho Isaac lawyer mobile number ne ye 079 46 09 46
Okay. Obetime dey ato na mempeke mfiri ho no mo.
yo but me beto a friend is saying inbox ni ma comment section na wa pick yo but question be right the question be more na
For now na sisi asoro almost like outsiders for no so omo pese omo be mu no so because me yan inte say inside for no as adwuma bi ni ho no mo inte no omo pese omo for omo be omo kronim na omo nyina nya adwuma ansa na ya for bi o me in terms of skilled and I'm me busasa.
Say no skilled worker overseas skilled worker recruitment abina suspended we trim for now.
Okay. Want me and time I be ebe koso.
Say from 22nd of July and omo amuja skilled worker under the health and care recruitment otwem.
Okay.
But your skilled worker a broad topic because
I know.
Skilled worker no nyoma bebre hihase.
Yeah.
But by nature health and care the animo a amanfo de be fa so aba no. And not from overseas and no na wetwem.
And to say be a different EBD ultimately would me amount.
Yeah, I think say yabubo so no na Dr. Ray Nika say mo dancers choreographers near their
yes
no. Nti no what the temporary list shortage list be aba and no who falling within those in na now benya sponsor ubetimi afa saa kwan no so e de aba UK.
'Cause, 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 'cause
All right, comment section.
Yeah, lawyer, but Honoma now Ghana.
Lawyer, will UK hire?
Oh, okay. Me that's it. Me contact no. Me hear more pa me contact no.
Yo. Yeah, na Isaac Asinianko Charity. Isaac Edase. Charity. Lawyer waha. O question no. Bisamana enko. Hello. Any Charity. Omi tu huna lawyer I ready with you. Na me sisu say FB Solicitors and yene omo twetwe nkomo. Lawyer Francis and ete akonwa yi. Telephone numbers no any media to comment section de na so I mean sisuma yenuanom a motie yen. Mobile number no is 079 46 77 2439. 079 46 77 2439. Office line also any in case of free lawyer or mobile no so na aye busy a ebia no court. But more than a free a year office number no 0208 264 4800. 0208 264 4800. Omodiana na free lawyer. Lawyer office our backing. Suite E and F, the clock house. Postcode near IG 118EQ. IG 118EQ. Nearest station backing station. Pepe. And it Bomodia na free say yahwe nua Charity. Ti lawyer pacho any day mo yentoa yenkomo no so.
Yo, another thing me pese share afa update no BBI a friend of electronic travel authorization. I think say Abubo so beginning of the program no.
Lawyer who so kakra. Charity akwaba.
Yes, dear.
Let us say. Yes, you are me adumi so ye. Lawyer Francis what I say with you.
Because I be sad lawyer some kakra. I present and say maybe in internet no so na mentia say. But to say who free no me Ghana kwa visit ya o ba ya say ma wo ma bra you British and I say okita 2 years assessment be and I say maybe say no cry.
Yo, Charity Uten is saying, and now why they can.
They were a lot of for Ghana for no crampo cow TikTok no say what free and my Ghana now buy a film a woman if you say new panadol something no I buy per se or cat in the panoso. So to go no 2.5 for Nibi. Or so called Ghana 90% yeah sure say or call wait to me up and
Yo, Charity, I think some na I was say a fifi money huni ye. Dear anya unkwa na what is asem no, but nyoma bebre no as a lawyer no meti am mfanya asem because the mrane kano na ye diso. Yama 2.5 setting koma bra obi sem wuye o ba yes ye ma umba. Ade na ye ma umba. That's the first question I was saying Wubusa won. Abra won krata. And it says, oh, on krata, who ni kwan say Obeko holidays. Sana broni peja ne kete mo fa ne passport. Ono so si wo ko Europe. Oba no answer waba. Nti Mr. Musa atisem no yenye very very careful. Enya unko me client bi o twa video bi bra me. Na o hwa ade a omo ka Sabiana ya asifim. And I can no lack of knowledge, my people perish. We ama abodi pa hu bebre kwa. Anya unkwa na wasa ati bi enu. Yes, bia obi dia send me channel 4. Mami abrewa bi a wakoka Ghana or British ni a omo mpese obeba. A serious thing but I know say wafa lawyers are omo fight amano because raising a home office agina so aka say omo mpese obeba na back. Maame nso wo treatment was say oba NHS ebe continue. NHS for actual home office up till now home office doesn't want to respond. See, I know that they have some lawyers, it's about 4 months now. Some lawyers are fighting left and right to show said what is the reason why. Bear in mind, I'm in a British in Mwana mode nkrata ane mano. Inti reason benti ena mumpese obeba back to. Or onene ba omu call for holidays for Ghana. But I know sir, these are one of those things but at the end of the day, no, the truth will come out. And it won't be. So no muka say work on holidays here my own back. Definitely they have to give a reason why our muka sa no. Tisadia no a whole reason beba. Now won't tia what per lawyer now with the amano. Na lawyer na fifi mahwe no dem rana to ho no a defend you. But Charity, back to question no. Bibia se bia ni ho se ubeko holidays oba ye ma woma abra wo nkrata. Mr. se wo call holidays na unkuta indefinite and I say unye British ni Irish ni a make sure say yi visa no why you be. Because home office ama airlines need to me say wa unye bi no mubusa share code na untimi produce no. They have the right say omo ma own fro omo flight no. Into what that situation before so be free UK ha call holidays. Ukuta leave to remain, ukuta settlement. Make sure say why you visa ni bi. And yes ba problems are be facing no. Utanye ya plane beti me to ejam.
It is a charity the idea. The any kunu here say a e-visa no so ye.
Yes.
It's very good.
Okay. And I'm gonna come and turn here, but bet me I call
second question. There may be last month, my name is Marco Spain holidays. In the British for you drew Stansted here, immigration in no say we hear letter a chess and Canadian member. Would you let me letter? Not so much into me phone to me, old phone. No, I mean, I'm also for the number train also. And I'm Ghana and may but yeah, me sabi be from here letter. If some normal day in class and a man immigration in so my member because also no proof for same palani ya member. And so call another person and the cocker say no my buy if a person be no ya say who says a bus me name me too quiet a form of bank set e come
Yo, Charity. Mame Cho Sena Imrani Sika. Your Bibia your friend of child trafficking. Child trafficking. And United Nations Children's Charter Act no. Emma ho kwan say immigration officer bia ohun say akola oye less than 18. Oni obi na ma oye impensemu say yampa akola no na wofo na say bibisa. All because of the child trafficking. And UK are buying a signatory to that. And I'm taking that thing seriously. Inti the ya American say, "One woman to kwan na sebe umani dino omusene no unkuta bia fa nkola ne birth set eka ho. Charities what you want to hear?
Me watch I know na person me say bia me do mo tu kwan ya ba ko 16 and a 10 and a 7. It's you know o ma me card bi e chere na me hu card no so say akwara nya 18 na de no papa say dem papa ni friga na card no. No, yes, yeah, me satisfied. And not na me bisa sa question me.
Yeah, I am pa. And I do a awofo no say nkola ne obi abusuani bi na etu kwan a awofo no timima consent form. So omufa omuma ne ntu kwan. Because we nyina no omu ye we nyina no to make sure say ampa akola no unim no oye oba anase o relative bi. Because of the word child trafficking ninti.
Lawyer Abraham Cramp on be a charity crown or you'll be a about Kokroan who for fair, Fibers are cry with going to me with Sanko that way. Ah, and I'm you are. Oh, you are. You had a great soon. I will sure say an emma.
Yeah, charity ninti omu yo mejuma. But I am afraid when it happens that way,
he said madam for being so no dear or no so the mark or Ghana sa I am misunderstanding. The other one was saying maybe the next one Miss Adam so Ibiana.
Charity.
No, the man and the who say no crazy to me be sent to person who say a sign and I say it was said me too quiet and that's what be a one to quiet of fat and I say let's be share of in case they will be sana over the better say nema.
Yo, charity, the TN say because of Moyo Majumano, Ubetimi akoshia border force officer bia one no there, one yam fimu. Obi oha obeyam fimu. And a fabebre, you'll be an niti.
Yeah. You heard charity, who said who should and Korano should what? Me a bro for no or here now so no this lady are you sure you can give birth to these children? No. Eti bibisa no the NHS say ya ma also a picture no weja old phone and so baby. It is any TB and they will question you in line with the laws, you know, pepe. In line with the lawyer church, you know, pepe.
Me bani 16 in it yeah before anything I will treat you bad sir.
Ebi kwana na need secretly. Ebi kwana o check o person no bon komo charity and go we mo ha adwene. Ebi mo ha adwene. My airport adwuma wo many of these airports Heathrow ne sometimes you know I can understand. But anyway, charity send a lawyer kind be any fan passport birth cert fetu kwan na fe so fa lawyer number be ni afre let lawyer represent you what you say be ni a friend lawyer enye say musro lawyer kra and I'm a charity
no lawyer they mean so me so na so minimum no one
BW F solicitors lawyer enti ebeda say charity na yenko yo so they be Wednesdays and Saturdays be no Wednesday 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. and Saturdays 12 to 1 and then dia ama lawyer o betia na chinyame admo chinanti and bon enkomo we lawyer say Fridays no gram say so come on people are showing you but charity that's yanko pretty na pom to say
the person be lawyer separate baby. Me in the first leave me British passport. My career life in UK I pass.
Very good.
Now what is the next?
English language in so.
Oh, okay. Me no.
So if you wouldn't mind telling me
Pretty lawyer said we age near saying, if you wouldn't mind.
Oh, my age 46.
Oh, no, young.
Okay, into that means I was say we are life in UK English language, you know. And a question now, which
English language, you know, maybe booking online, sir.
They will booking online, yeah.
But you're saying, and I mean to me, yeah, no.
I know they mean to me, mouth figure, no, but ne boy, sir.
Okay. And a home office fee, no, see, same picture.
Hey, they said they would test me, pal.
And then they'll say,
Home office fee, and it's ceremony, no, yeah, 1,007 BB and 30 or so, yeah.
It's and do a year £2,000.
There be in 1,730. I think the home office fee 1,006. And ceremony near 130. Yeah. Sure, over to me the win definitely not to quite aqua Ghana. But we are Kobo and San answer.
Okay.
Kobo and San we are son away to me to quite. Why?
That's it.
Umbo and Sanwa, pretty men could two quite you. Yeah. Indefinite now compare British citizenship now fade. Oh, conso and fe acquire BT. Let's be careful. Bibi any swa, my mema lawyer number. Na oh, very good. Also a father that you pretty, you better say so. Yo lawyer, na a friend is oh a pretty beside. Now no be beside me say I can't boss me back up person call na ne passport ne wu. I'm say aka ne passport be wu November. Ono so we year October. Now person obusa say obetimi akwa year no ana.
You can rather say at least I was a passport and I was 6 months grace period and son away to me to coin. So and one thing I will be your friend no same day services no.
Okay.
So person acquire a passport now obey to me or a Ghana near Ghana High Commission, they can give you 24-72 hours passport services amount.
Lawyer or can visa no. Ne visa ne be wu November. Na ne 2.5 ne be wu November. No we year be eso oko. Na
when it comes to visa and so home office obey to me your application no same day decision 24-hour decision and also you pay extra 1,000 for that.
Extra £1,000.
Yes, on top of your application and home office fee. So we pay decision in them.
Okay.
BPR, there is exception over there. Both visa and into why ready are phantom na you're unprepared no. Yeah.
Lawyer, and the yentua a year update so.
Yo, now may Babeka and I say may Babeka something about electronic travel authorization. Nations are or more I was say or more yes no and son or by UK ha. Timber boss our countries, you know. Say Ghana mama, that means Ghana obey visitors visa. And now say obey entry clearance as a spouse. So what are British in here? Because once I maybe for the past few months, we've been talking about EUD or mobile introduction, which is the entry exit system, coming October. And UK phones were introduced which is ETA, electronic travel authorization. And America phones were there, a friend of Esther. And Canada phones were ETA, and also into what maybe say yes, especially nkurɔfoɔ ekura ɔmo no ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo yɛ saa UK for deɛ no, which is the electronic travel authorization. Wohwɛ mu a saa deɛ wɔyɛ startee which is 2023 nti almost say 15th November 2023 no. Omoma Carter for Aquanja say omunya ETA nibi. And 22nd of February 2024 no. And omude other countries be back Saudi Arab countries, which is Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, United Arab Emirates, and Saudi Arabia. And a call on the 8th of January 2025, no, almost say other countries, which is Antigua and Barbados, Argentina, Australia, Barbados, Belarus, Botswana, Brazil, Brunei, Canada, Chile, Costa Rica, Grenada, Guatemala, Guyana, Hong Kong, Israel, Japan, Malaysia, Mauritius, Mexico, Federal State of Micronesia, New Zealand, Nicaragua, Peru, Panama, Paraguay, Peru, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and Grenadine, Samoa, Seychelles, Singapore, Solomon Islands, South Korea, Taiwan, Tonga, United States, and Ukraine, Uruguay. Saa nkurɔfoɔ wei no, sɛ ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo ba UK a, ɔmo bɛyɛ ETA, Electronic Travel Authorization. And from 2nd of April 2025 here, no, Omasade other countries, Ababe Kika, which is Andorra, Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria, Croatia, Cyprus, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, Italy, Latvia, Liechtenstein, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, Monaco, Netherlands, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Romania, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Vatican City. Into Oshama, sa last bit in a EU for Omudia Beka, Sir Omunye Electronic Travel Authorization. Yen share your name, sir, October more. EU for also the Omudia, but send a bear as a British form, Beso Mokohono, Omuso Ebeyebi. Into from now, no. We are British now, person call any of the EU countries now. Before October, no, over here, over to me the passport in a realm for 90 days, 90 to 180 days.
Lawyer Homesu kakra na yenko yes sister Florence. Florence, kemo akwaba.
Daddy,
Adumo na bacha we.
Adumo.
Nice one.
Let me be sabi be na jimu na kakra. Me say Ghana passport. That I let let's say the dual citizen. The whole person the Canadian coffee. What do you need?
Say ukra dual citizenship no. Ana
Ghana no. No, British though, but Ghana the whole person coffee. What's the requirement?
And them say lawyer send no answer we twa plane ticket now oko.
Ana uka dual citizenship Ghana ne the British and answer then.
Ghana me Ghana ni but so be British.
Yo, inti say no ubetimi a confirm say ukuta British passport na asa ukuta Ghana passport.
Right. Yeah.
Me ba cho manti hodi ye.
You see, yeah, that's right. In fact, yes, Ghana they no need British they no. It is all better call Ghana. No better Ghana passport now. Is it allowed?
Yo, the TN says, so person call Ghana is allowed to take both Ghana passport and the British passport with you.
Okay. And when coming in to use the same to come back, is that right?
I didn't hear that place again. Come again.
You see, it's a back in Swan. You can do the same can say documentation, Ghana, British, Ghana. Is it okay with that?
Yes.
Mm. Okay. I mean that's it. But me now that does so better me no can be SM.
Yo.
Family
Me the
number
number no.
na book here.
Dr. Ryan, no like to your number to be.
Yeah.
Get your number from him.
Yeah. Inke number boy send the book. Call any. Call comment section jame. Inke send the book. Yeah. Well.
Okay.
My inbox bunu can number afen you find.
All right, I can't me. What's up with me? I mean, you well,
Oh, okay.
So come on, you can what's up with me?
Okay. Text mommy hi. Ni nke ni afọ no. Bia ne no. Ofan. All right. Thank you. You. Ozo atena brochi na ma ne brof na me. Yes, Hey, Florence. Yeah, man. Lawyer. Ni na no ni papa mu a watena brochi ache brof na men sir. Lawyer, Pacho, yentoa yenkomo no so ni di mu. Na mesre wa onse na abekọ no obekọ ya asem no so no. Ma menkai ahwefo ene etiefo nyina se yene ya be solicitors ene twetwe nkomo lawyer Francis ana yene ne atena akonwa mu yi. Na ope o makira kwan a omo backing suit E&F the clockhouse backing postcode near IG11 8EQ IG118EQ. Samsung office line 0208 264 4800 0208 264 4800. Lawyer mobile number is 079 4677 2439. SKA number no 079 4677 2439. Nearest station backing station. Timisewa. SKA onsa ka number no ana mami hunu se onsa ka number no na onsa nkan na mensa so ensisu ebiem. Lawyer, abrante busa question and the question na obusa ni nyina ne se I'm say aka na bosome ba ko a ni indefinite no ebewu na or say please lawyer it's left with 1 month for to get my indefinite leave on EU family dependent now we will say what requirement does he need for the application RASPAC and it will say
your requirement no dependent on.
yes.
Is it dependent partner or dependent child?
What do you want?
What would the entire na we feel say was lawyer na ye fefe won say mono.
Yeah.
What be two question na to go sebe ye hear further clarification. Into such a question no may answer I have to be very very careful.
Yeah.
Because will be able picking out of context.
Lawyer, or see children.
Yeah, I was share Osho Adiemienu, which is evidence of dependency. And evidence of relationship. And these are the things will be show their application to the Home Office.
Okay.
And there are more details like who provide your passport, what should say you have the amount 5 years based on documentation, how they call initial 5 years, you know. The show says still no what does it depending on the partnership.
Okay.
That's what you have to show to the Home Office.
Wow. Yo, and a spark, me the lawyer no mano, me the asene tibomodia na question be a wo be no free lawyer na omomodia no ntimi mboa na won sanka wo indefinite intent na be join the British citizenship cool no wano intent ma SK a plus 444 Mr. Wa plus 444 Manuel will say, hi, solicitor. I would like to ask if someone with British citizenship by descent can apply for a passport or register their children born in Ghana as British citizen. Manuel, they are obisa away YouTube, no?
Now, question we busa maybe okay.
Uh,
So will be side by descent, because by descent, you will clause be home. You can just do for only one generation. In the first thing, I have to ask a conversion of us when you're the British citizenship.
Okay.
Yeah, what Jiffy Nipa no sunya as a discretion isana. Didn't say obey me pass it on to the other the mouth be warm. I need further clarification. If possible, I won't find my number now. Won't keep you in touch.
Yo, Manuel, lawyer say we hear more particulars. Inti mo di anaje a lawyer number. Mobile number here 079 46 77 2439 079 46 77 2439. And no a lawyer mobile number. Office telephone line here 0208 0208 264 264 4800 4800. Tibomodia na efre lawyer na one lawyer endwetwe eyen komo na ohunu hawa o situation etie na afi no wo ma wo eye efre ne say the correct mwaye papa. Wait me afre lawyer Mondays to Saturdays working hours mepachawa Sundays lawyer nya adwuma gese bia yɛn kasa biribi saa mbra magye sɛ bi a asɛm bi ato na bi a home office asɛm na bi a yɛakye wo ne saa nneɛma no deɛ wofra emergency lawyer ɛbɛyi wa no na wofra nso a bɔmmɔden ara sɛ lawyer wohia ne service na wabuku for appointment sɛnea lawyer bɛnya time na wɔne wo atwetwe nkɔmmɔ na woahunu ha wɔbɛ diagnose wo nsɛm no na waba sɛte digest ne nyinaa kamakama na wama wo ano yie sɛnea teɛ pɛpɛɛpɛ lawyer Mr. Say question beyond for now, a bit no tea, yen twasso.
Yo, yen share Wednesday additional. Na yen twasso. Which is British citizenship applications, good character and
criminal
conventions. Yeah. Yo, you do baby ana yebabeka financial soundness.
Yeah.
Obi beka se na lawyer financial soundness there and say bia misika semunya eno so efa British for asem ho a ombetimi dey refuse my application na
Lawyer, I'm say you do what are war crimes, terrorism, and other activities contrary to the public good. And sana yako the boss is here, need you more.
Oh, okay. You had me that say what me na me so I say okay yeah.
Me kaipa, we mitru say nkwan.
Yo, and I am yeah. Yo, UK for introduce you bibia your friend no say war crime, terrorism, ne nase for ni ade ebe show mumre no mu say o commit sa atrocities na normally yema wonya British ni kra inti say oh yeah British citizenship these are the things background checks or mu checking in no efa sa ade no or say parts of nationality policy guidance deals with war crimes and terrorism are blanked out. So we do not know exactly what the instructions are to the decision makers. What we do know is that if someone has involved in war crime, etc., they are probably not going to be a person of good character. In this, checks, no one says sabe what committee war crime nena say for terrorism nena say for yeah ma wonye British ni yeah ma wo ye be refuse to application no because I say omo guidance and say if there is information to suggest that the person has been involved in international crimes or serious human rights violation, they will not normally be considered to be of good character, and the application will fall to be refused. Inti sebe obi ye ni bi na do ho kofra you're very very careful. Ombetimi agina so e de akase oh okra wadamfo ni we a all fighting against crimes, war crimes, terrorism, and that. Till we assume say sebe oni ni nyina abo.
Oni nyina akọ na krana.
That's it. No, omutimi gyina so ema wonya British ni. Yeah, nka say yeah pamo, but ema wonya British ni. No na MI5 ni MI16 bia no mo monitor wo no. So won ti ase.
Na dia asem na esi amenkwa de bia no.
Yes.
Me phone
Yeah,
haki
yes,
ni.
yeah, that's how war crimes in as if for the access. So next one, no, financial soundness.
Yes, financial, yes.
Yo, say Home Office making decision under a British citizenship application. They consider things like why a bankruptcy before now, and now what go into liquidation as a with company. Now we a company director, and now say what the cat, and now say what the cat, and now say untia council tax. Sa nyoma we nyano a build it up to show say unkuta good character.
Hey, that's a lawyer.
Nti what the car, but what they say over start here bi. Say council tax ba na untua wo de ato baabi.
Ubaya ho kila min tia dia. Aha de ye kila tia o.
Oh, sa boni we mu nyina no ka hu say a pile up a. Eya no mo de ko national database mu. And I said Home Office all the application call Home Office for British citizenship. No mo de share national data mo ne ehwe se saa nyoma we mu nyina ebata wo ho a omo wo tumi se omo be refuse wo application no.
Ubaya kila me kila ntia. E be chiwa ma wa be.
These are the things because nyoma bi wo be ka say na say we lawyer hwe my me private yi. Empire private affairs, but at the end of the day, no, yeah, share subaya ukuta. British citizen, no, ababe ye say nyoma bebre, akachi nyoma bebre wom.
Yeah.
Good character, usubaya ukuta no. Yeah, u British ni a, ubetimi akuta subaya papa ma British. That is the meaning of that. Inti, upese dachi ukoye British ni a. Ɛwɔ sɛ wo sonson ho ɛfa saa nneɛma bi gu sei.
Hey, lawyer. Any wake the enhwe de obebusa say e dey kwa ni deception, any dishonesty under good character.
Yo, ohwɛ sɛ na Home Office ahyehyɛ ɔmo mmara no ɛfa guidance on good character na nneɛma bebree ɛyɛ involved. Sɛ yɛka sɛ deception anaasɛ dishonesty a deɛ yɛ a ɔmo hwɛ ne sɛ woyɛ wɔ application no. Information a wode hyehyɛ so nyinaa no wogye di sɛ ne nyinaa yɛ papa. Anaasɛ from your best of knowledge.
Lawyer me try no na so bi yes application na che na ne refia eno no o akwanya wo de ye ehu correct information no.
Yes. Me ba be ye ba ko bi ama obi.
Okay.
Your friend or subject access. You make us information via home office equita fa yenua ehuno my client ehuno omo famre me. Me request bibi sa.
Okay.
Me request ma also be busa question BTT.
Titi says yeah. Lawyer, Yankosuna, you see how many a year existing British people can pass with new test? Can pass this new test? How many existing British people can pass this new test?
Ah na Titi anya bia say ye dey enye home office for. Ah, and at the same time, oh British ni na no ya wo no ni krom ha no. Men fa ho ntoto ne so say ono be yes ani o ma we mu bi.
Yeah.
Oh na wo pe British citizen, ono ya wo no ha dada.
Mm.
Nti ono ya wo no ha dada, no onko ye exams, onko ye we mu ni ade ni nyina bi. But who am man for na wo pe British passport, British citizen no. Omo say any say wo ye foreigner na wo pe so ye British ni a wo naturalize a ye mra ni ahihya ama wo no. Enye obi a untimi mfa wo ho nto British ni a anase obi a ya wo no wa ha o ma me ye British o papa ye British.
In a way, the common per quam the first some ever deny for to become British citizenship.
That is the word.
Citizens. Yeah.
Anointing of the requirements na abamo. Yo, younger deception and dishonesty. Inti, send an America no. Information a over fill or form ne so no make sure say is the best of your knowledge. Who needs that information now? Now application call home office prayer. Connect request it. Because I would the wrong information. SS home office be who say wedding throw. Or me find say a deception. And deception under the part 9 of the immigration rules, a mandatory refusal. They may refuse to application. Until all the time, I always say, in order not to fall under the deception, so would nima, so lawyer na yamawa, my lawyer nyawe, lawyer menkai, minim, lawyer no bet me a pause application. He say, yeah, requested for information be a home office kutano. Na yenhwe ansa na yatoa so.
Lawyer, Def fair to say my 2-year postgraduate visa is about to expire, and with the new immigration rules making sponsorship harder to secure, I need advice on the best legal option to extend my stay or obtain sponsorship.
Yo, my name Freya, na a man of various options available to him.
Yo. Eti Def Fed, about Modiana Fred lawyer, I want in mobile number so 079 4677 2439 079 4677 2439. Lawyer mobile number no. Now friend I busy I'm sure friend office line no 0208 264 4800 0208 264 4800. Lawyer I'm say in second say thank you to Momodiana friend.
Yeah, my name of Freya booking for consultation. Why?
Def Elfra Momodia say you need the service of lawyer na book for consultation. Send your time lawyer Benyamere na Momodia na we be seminar no dia kire kama pepepe. Why? Working hours no from Monday to Saturdays. Any day more. Yo lawyer. Na uche man sana make a question every day for.
Yeah, inti na send America no deception, and dishonesty. And a home office bibia omo ye no, omo wo die nti a omo de saa de no ato ho no. Because they know said definitely nipa in trouble free baby aba. And I know thing almost say kai bibia but request free a honomo ye de bebrel. Because omo for application na every bibi omabusa bia no ombeye checks wo ho. Also wura mu ha this year so and so. Okay. Ye ba ko check your national data. Am pass wura mu ha this year na. Ebe yi ama wo mo. And I will remember was so baby a wura mu fa Gatwick Heathrow. Ni nyina no ombebusa. So mo ko check na efa that means undi intro wo ho no. Omo hu bibia Oma hu bibia omo hu se wadi intro baby. Te ho and omo di begina so use omo word we are dishonesty. We are what cause deception. So on that note, you be refuse your application. The information odi ye bibia no make sure say and I bear in mind definitely your application call home office pen. Who need sa record what to actually my requesting mount and son what to anamon. And yes, the word deception no a chewa bear in mind the consequences involved what waste your time. You be refuse your application. In summary.
Wow. Lawyer, obibebusa say ye kase overstaying illegal entry and breaches of immigration law under good character crown what are overstaying, illegal entry and breaches of immigration law under good character?
Good character guidance na a check is idea way nyina. Sir, o pese we British ni. Na oba no wa overstay pen. Wa wuramu a ani kwan se wuramu. Ana say kwan ben na wuramu. Oba nso a obisa na edema no. What Bushu and I say Umbusu. So I say in December 2014, the Home Office introduced new guidance on good character and started to refuse naturalization applications on the basis of poor previous immigration behavior. Poor previous immigration behavior. This is now one of the most common reasons for refusal on the basis of good character. Nti wɔn ha a kwan ne ade no. Poor immigration previous behavior no. Turning into who say a good character, a bad character.
Bad character.
Into on that note, yehu bibi sa we say you refuse to. Into you say from for applications made after 10th of February 2025. Which is current Imrana Omode which is the 10th of February 2025. No more introduce you, BB. Sir, there is in effect a permanent exclusion from ever applying successfully for British citizen in case where the applicant entered the UK illegally as an adult. Illegally as an adult. From 10th of February 2025. So this policy obviously affects refugees and is likely unlawful, though that is a matter of ongoing litigation.
Hey.
Human rights make it unlawful.
The human rights, baby, or channel the amount for him.
Time biano, omo share application form necessary. A crime ben so and I would mu UK. So catch him say ofa Kotoka ofa Heathrow ofa Gatwick e was say o me date na odi be mu no. Ni nyinaa nso home office ba akɔ check. Utra nye ya home office check no ma hu a mo say for passport na wo de bewura ma this stamp bo mu ne ma wo no man ebre. Na when nya saa de na ba definitely from 10th of February no you be classify as adult illegal entry.
Hey.
And then no, it will be a mandatory refusal.
Mm.
But lawyers, you walk on ya, the first one they cover way in
Yo. Ebusiani FB solicitors for na twetwe nkɔmmɔ. Lawyer Francis and Amoteneni. Ope FB solicitors echi akwan a ɔmo suit E and F, the clockhouse ɛwɔ backing. Postcode near IG118EQ. IG118EQ. Telephone numbers no office line is 0208 2644800. 0208 2644800. Mobile line is 079 467 72439. 079 4677 2439. Nearest station backing station. Timomodia na Shannon so. Mestre wa ofra say you need a service of lawyer no book for appointment. Why? I send you a lawyer. Ebinya time no watch it. Munya fi na lawyer. We dey be question about ko pe o there be ba ko kra no a say we book for appointment na lawyer etimi church mu ye. Aye. Na eja utimi nya a well informed a friend is saying answer to a year or situation and our issue or the buy. And we hear pa. Menya sure so be no beka so call ko hu GP or say ko do GP no say GPA mame 1 minute na me there be so we nya time na GP ni nya time. We nya time am wan hwe ni prescription no obema poison o ma poison so a na unum na complication bi ba wa hwe ni a wasa akura de be court say wo ko siu no age empatasika intimesre ehu hia pa lawyer na a friend is saying who does not need to meet the good character requirement.
Yo, before then, when it comes to illegal entry, then I say for now, and
Mhm,
I say immigration, what cause chaos be a. But there back what me say a Shannon soon say, hey, be currently what have previous or involved in an attempt to assist someone in the invasion of immigration control.
mhm,
Yeah, no, so no, or record no, or muta consider that. And I say we employer what high, and I say why employ illegal worker.
mm.
And also no, it may affect you. Say under the good character requirement. You say a counsel who does not need remember your question Ibium, sorry.
Na me busa say why na o here a year who does not need to meet the good character requirement.
Obviously, who does not meet the good character requirement, no? Yeah, now Sebe, they consider in Kofuokuobi in terms of impenifor no over 65 nasi for ne kono. And say hopefully omo good character requirement, no. Obviously, say ukuta British passport who can apply for British citizenship.
Mm.
To
Yeah.
no de won here. Irish folk no or more person or turning into British.
Mm-hmm.
They always go through like the normal ordinary person I all go through to become a citizen. But a more requirement need different from Ubi a when you settlement or yet a man for person or British in. See, that's what it is. But good character requirement, mostly is at the discretionary of the case worker. Or because oteki say 1+1 into consideration. And yeah, immigration British Nationality Act now they are Kobia. They don't need British citizen. They don't need good character to prove good character requirement.
Okay.
Sections of the British Nationality Act not talked about them. Or say person unable to be registered under any of the provisions, which is 4B, 4C, 4J, a lot. Based on that, the persons would be entitled to register under a certain schedule of the applications. And apart from where the person qualifies on the basis that they would be able to become a British overseas territory citizen. I don't know, sir, what is our word in it, a British overseas territory citizen?
Yes, ma.
Yeah,
Overseas, yes.
yeah. For the benefit of a TA4, no, British for capture various Nkokrobi
Mm,
and Omudi Omubeye as part of them. In the same Nkokro no from British overseas territory citizens.
mhm,
Mostly, I na ebi wɔ hɔ a wobetia ne sɛ oh obi wɔ kuro bi so a okuta British passport. Obetumi ayɛ sɛ ɔyɛ British overseas territory citizen. Mauritius for countries bebree ebi wɔ hɔ a yɛayɛ ɔmo saa.
mm.
So ɔmo ba a ɔba nyinaa no okuta ne passport a ɔde aba abɛwura mu ɔpɛ sɛ ɔbɛ relocate to UK a. Other countries, that's what they do. In the Ushama, there are a couple of nkurɔfoɔ they don't need to meet the good character requirement. Obi wɔ hɔ a yɛwo no wɔ hanom automatically claim British citizen based on the parentage. The parent no ɛyɛ British ne n'asefoɔ. Nti on that note, no, they don't need to meet the good character requirement.
Mm.
But that's what I can say for now.
Your lawyer, not consultation fee, you know. Florence, Oba book consultation fee. Oba book consultation. SK, or say how much is the booking?
Now, catch
Obomodiana.
you say no, is with your lawyer, no, never catch you, and yet
Yes.
on fire, Tuja. Why?
Yes. So ofra Omodia na ofra lawyer. Then who baby esi. Yes. Bear in mind, no. Just call when you call her. Which I won't say more. Ubehunu send it pepe. Na lawyer na sa na just nka eja nka ya ndi ya ho kra no na just ye gusu kra ye against you folly under ye de o chirichi mu sisi no British ye de
Overseas.
overseas.
And for baby, no, say, no, Tina, Mundi Mohono, Musa, yes, okay, Yadia, who I know, Yabesa, yeah, who say, you kind of saying, Commonwealth citizen.
Yes.
Because when him say we are still part of Ghana, we are still part of the Commonwealth citizen.
Na say Commonwealth citizen me hu fa so ye nya free wo kurom
If
ha
I
me hu.
saw hope, na mon taken into consideration.
Hey, lawyer ni be chire mo man go for wa ha.
Aha, and fast forward,
Hey,
but we don't, we are buoy near Gunyoma be brave sure about Commonwealth citizenship.
wow. Mm. Hey, anyway there.
That could
Because
be funny. Shana, we will see how the sort of benefits we normally get from that.
because any crown you say your sister. Yeah, your kobochi on a secretary general. Commonwealth.
Safety, well,
There's a nipa be 2 billion or down no.
yes.
Wow.
Into all these things, you know, see in first one and Katembia, we will try to use that because mostly we always go the traditional
Yeah,
route now, but see they buy UK no.
ɛno ne yɛnim o ɔba aburokyire wabɛfa ne wɔ paase ɔba aburokyire ne maame abɛfa no ɔse bra school.
Indeed, that's idea baako a sɛbi yɛn nkurɔfoɔ yɛaka akyire paa ɛwɔ saa adeɛ no ho because could you believe sɛ wohwɛ Asian countries now, that's why they are using it ɔmode ɛba UK hanom.
Hey, ɛyɛ Commonwealth yi a wɔn fa yɛ gold ne yɛ timber ne nneɛma bebree yɛ hunu ho hwee.
Wonim sɛ for Sabi
India for no.
India for Pakistan, they have a concession on that.
Wow.
Yeah,
Hey.
because the benefit of being a Commonwealth citizen includes voting rights and political participation, professional opportunities.
Onim sɛ nkɔfo bebree de kora ba kuruma na ɔmo nto aba o na no meka kyerɛ obi sɛ ɔsɛ mini nkrata mentumi nto aba na mesɛ hey kawa no tum yɛtumi to aba bɛsɛ ne yɛnkɔ to bi ɔsɛ woyɛ sure ɔhwɛ ne a wobɛsɛ yɛkɔkye me oh asɛm a meke saa time kora na Boris Johnson fa saa identity ne kora nyamba you.
You stand the chance of being a professional, enjoy professional opportunities, consular protection, educational opportunities, visa-free traveling.
Hey, naturally visa-free, no?
There are so many, and America said we need to digest it. We need to.
Florence,
but
say wow.
In America, I will pick it up one day, then go through much about it. Sir, if you want to, sir, you're kind of saying
Commonwealth citizen.
Commonwealth citizenship. So say you're Commonwealth members, but you have to turn your membership to become a citizen. Or a procedure you need to go through. You can enjoy right of abode in the UK. You can have UK ancestry visa. All these things, visa-free travel, exempt from the English language test.
Wow. I don't know lawyers okay you say so young crata and wait to me at me now
but they are aware of Sana make a choice and we have to digest it and
ways
tell
and
you how,
means.
yeah. Why? What I am fancy when I never go over.
You
why?
You lawyer. Nadia now DJ crack and wako.
Yo, Jamidi Beja a tier for a chef for our Dr. Rain platform, no, and they say, yeah, what a quite bebria ye bet to me a day about UK Hanamu, which is in terms of the various routes, a bet to me a day about UK. But mostly, we concentrate on skilled worker, we concentrate on our area. There are other opportunities. The only thing is see the right lawyer to explain your situation. Send a bear or no sube who kwaya or no befaso. The entire consultation doesn't mean say be a lawyer or Jimmy scanning at Derby. So one was a man chair lawyer, want to mean free mu and travel kwaya. Ya do fa haswa a bay ye. Into the entire case, Mumbra for consultation, say. Ubeke bibia wombia kyerɛ na lawyer na hu kwan a ɔde bɛfa so metimi yɛ about so many options ɛma amanfo ɔmo hu me for consultation na ma culture say go and build on them ayɛ sɛ wosi dan wosisɛ wo nneɛma yi a ne ama yɛ ho time frame a yɛpɛ sɛ yɛyɛ such an application ɛbɛdu hɔ na watumi anya nneɛma a yɛde bɛyɛ application ne nyinaa no near the tumor a qua because a strategic planner you use. And yes, okay, lawyer me pay yes and no answer. There be it won't help. And once what they call lawyer can say, but based on BBT and a lawyer ne cancer. Timmy it's best say you seek a legal advice any situation you find yourself in UK. So UK, that's the advice I may person me the mamo. Because if you seek legal advice, just this week, minimum me be Kasai. I was so impressed. I said, lawyer, me back room, I'm a lawyer that. But me tell Kasa any Dr. Rain program I will you know. Me person will me lawyer. Oh, there are so many things, it will come her. Dr. Ray Katembia, but I'm out for the diagro. O krantai si year enya wonya British year fa lawyer. Wonim de enti a wo kasa. But I am not so Dr. Ray promoting lawyer. There be. So wonya immigration issue Ubefo said the Ebejina radio, so Ebejina Hanyina Kano, oh, lawyer, the Osoria or Yen market. There be a some tour. And I'll be say, hey, Sam or lawyer Bianca, Queen in Amba. Yo, dear me person a tear for Shannon Susan say, Yama Yen now. Na Bibia Yen Tiasiano, Yen Kobusa, na say Yen finding out from the qualified people. Send a beya, Yen Maya Nyoma and KG. As long as our person with Tina Kroma ni dear. Kroma with him ran a yejuma. Tis a one more when yan da ho, nam rani bitiwa, ubi kwa ya application. Law na sisano, oko yusu old law, and a home of a casual said, na sem rana sisadada. So the ban am say, na sem rana sisamba. All because of so to me, every day, etro. And I say, why you be painty, obey to me, aye. Yo, me da say, Dr. Rain, send then so, what to me, I saw you more, am I a day legal digest now, Abba. Till hopefully, I think say Wednesday, you be here.
Yo.
Mr. Mumfa, weekend in Chamina, weekend need a Nuntina and a Friday, no. Why? Ya chamo, ya cramo, bye bye.
Yes, yeah, that's it. Busuyan sana me catch on no. Lawyer Francis, FB Solicitors and Yomudin Komo. Omo address suite E and F, the Clock House. Back in. Postcode near IG118EQ. Omo telephone numbers, office line here 0208 264 4800. 0208 2644800. Lawyer telephone mobile line is 079 4677 2439. 079 4677 2439. Nearest station a barking station. Bomodia Nakipu, Winyanya British citizenship, Makacho, you need FB solicitors as your lawyer, sir. Ombetwitwaje no makyerɛ wo kwan no ɛnɛma bi wɔ hɔ a ɛteki 6 months woanhwɛ ne yie na wokotie yɛanom bi ano a wobɛdi bɛɛbɛɛ 40 years ɛwɔ kurom ha na ɔnsa nka deɛ wɔrehwehwɛ ne nyinaa no you need a lawyer ɛyɛ FB solicitors na wobɛtumi aboa yɛnyame yɛ adom a ɔkyena yɛ dwumadie no yɛntumi mfa mba nti yɛbɛhyia Wednesday 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Lawyer wei deɛ ɛnso yɛda ase sɛ wobae
Yo, ya cramo, bye bye.